Assalamu alaikum, my dear students. Hello, how are you all? Hope you will find by the grace of Almighty Allah. Welcome to NIV Zoom School, and this is Ariful Islam, Assistant Teacher of English, National Adult English Version School Morning Shift. Today I am going to take an Bangladesh and Global Studies class for class 8 students. Our today's topic, assignment Bangladesh and Global Studies, assignment 4 discussion. So let's see our today's class. Class 8, subject Bangladesh and Global Studies or BGS, annual term. Topic assignment 4 discussion. Lecture 10, Teacher Ariful Islam. This is my mobile number at today's date. So let's see our today's assignment, my dear students. As you can see, class 8, subject Bangladesh and Global Studies, assignment 4. So this assignment is from chapter, title of the chapter 9, Population and Development of Bangladesh. This chapter, Population and Development of Bangladesh. So lesson number and topics: lesson 1, Population Policy of Bangladesh; lesson 2, Government and non-government initiatives to control population; lesson 3, the relation between population and human resources; lesson 4, the strategy or technique of converting population into resources. Assignment or assigned tasks: write a report on how to continue earning from the losses. Write a report on how to continue earning from the loss of employment due to the COVID-19 situation. So you have to write a report how to continue earning from the loss of employment, those who lost the job due to COVID-19 situation. Hints: what are the hints? You will write the report according these hints. Hints: 1, explanation of human resources. Number 2, collecting information from one's own family, area, internet. How many people have lost their jobs in COVID? Employment of any profession has almost stopped. If they had any skills, they could have earned even at this time, etc. 3, what could be the alternatives resources of that profession in the COVID situations? What could be the alternative profession? If they lost the profession, did they do in any other profession? Could they involve in any other profession? Number 4, initiatives taken at a government and private level in the respective areas to transform the population into human resources. Number 5, with which special trainings it may be possible to continue earning in any situations. So these are the assignment tasks. You will follow these hints and write a report. Instruction: from textbooks to the relationship of population to human resources, the strategy of transforming the population into human resources must be well read. To get information by talking to your family, relatives, friends, in person, on mobile, telephone, offline, online. If possible, talk to someone who has lost his or her job. In accordance with the rules of hygiene may also be a case study. So one can gather information through internet media, one can collect information on public and private initiatives through interactions with older family members. So these are the assignment criteria. You all know that. Read this assignment criteria very well. So let's read. Excellent full-fledged accuracy and consistency of the content. Number 2, a full-fledged expression of patriotism and self-sacrifice. 3, noticeable individuality and creativity in the presentation. 4, remarkably aesthetic and varied presentation. Very good accuracy and consistency of the content in most cases. Number 2, though there is expression of patriotism, a partial presence of self-sacrifice mentality, individuality and creativity in most cases, aesthetic and varied presentation. The good lack of consistency even though the content is accurate, a general manifestation of patriotism and self-sacrifice, partial individuality and creativity in presentation, partial aesthetic and varied presentation, need to progress, lack of accuracy and consistency of the content, absence of patriotism and self-sacrifice mentality, lack of individuality and creativity in presentation, lack of aesthetic and varied presentation. You can contact with me, Muhammad Ariful Islam, Abul Kalam sir, and Roshan Khandakar. So your submission date of your assignment is 30 October 2021, Saturday. So please submit your assignment on 30/10/2021. So my dear students, do your assignment at home and submit on 30 October 2021. You know your assignment is very important because 40 marks will be given in your exams for your assignment. So thanks for watching this video. Stay safe, stay well. Assalamu alaikum.